Hello everyone. Today we embark on an enlightening journey. Just as electricity revolutionized industries and everyday life over a century ago, artificial intelligence and machine learning, or AI/ML, are poised to transform our world in ways we're only beginning to imagine. When we say artificial intelligence is the electricity of the future, we're not merely speaking about powering gadgets or making processes efficient. Instead, we're talking about a force that reshapes industries, redefines experiences, and revolutionizes our perceptions of what's possible. So, let's plug into this future together and explore the myriad of ways AI/ML is illuminating our path forward. Let's begin with the basics. It's essential that we demystify the terms AI, ML, and data science to truly understand the impact they are making. Firstly, artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the capability of machines to imitate intelligent human behavior. It's the broader concept of machines being able to carry out tasks in a way that we would consider smart or intelligent. Next, machine learning, ML for short, is a subset of AI. It's the study of algorithms that allow computers to learn from and make decisions based on data. Instead of being explicitly programmed to perform a task, these machines use statistical techniques to learn from examples. Lastly, data science. This is a field that uses various techniques, algorithms, processes, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. Data science is largely responsible for making the huge amounts of data we generate daily useful and actionable. Each of these areas, while interlinked, serves its unique purpose in the world of digital intelligence. Let's delve deeper. At the core of AI and ML lies a very human journey, one of understanding, recognition, and narration. Data is the raw material, the fundamental backbone of this journey. Just as atoms are to matter, data is to AI. It represents our behaviors, our choices, our actions and reactions. It's the digital footprint of our society. However, data in its raw form can be overwhelming and seemingly chaotic. That's where patterns come into play. Our aim isn't just to gather data but to identify recurring sequences, understand relationships, and predict outcomes. Machine learning is our tool, finding patterns where human eyes might miss or misunderstand. Yet, identifying patterns isn't our final destination. What use are patterns if they don't resonate, if they don't mean something to us? That's why the final and perhaps most crucial element is the story. It's about translating those patterns into insights, into tales that drive decisions, influence behaviors, and create impact. In essence, it's not just about having the data or recognizing patterns, but about crafting a compelling narrative. It's about turning numbers into knowledge, information into insights, and insights into stories that matter. Behind every data point, behind every number, lies a universe of stories waiting to be uncovered. Take, for instance, these datasets from Kaggle, one of the most renowned platforms for data enthusiasts. The airline dataset. It's not just about flight times and delays. It's about understanding global mobility, trade patterns, even human behavior during holidays and significant global events. NASA Nearest Earth Objects Dataset. This isn't just a space enthusiast's delight. It provides insights into our universe, the safety of our planet, and paves the way for future space expeditions. SMS Dataset. At first glance, it might seem trivial, a collection of texts. But delve deeper, and it's a treasure trove of understanding human communication, sentiment analysis, and the evolution of modern language. Each dataset, unique in its own right, is a goldmine of information. It's a testament to the fact that in today's age, data is everywhere, from the vast expanses of space to the very devices in our pockets. And it's up to us, with the power of AI and ML, to tap into these datasets, uncover patterns, and weave them into stories that drive change, spark innovation, and enrich our understanding of the world around us. Visualizing the vast landscape of algorithms, let's explore the tools of the trade. These are the engines that power our quest to discern patterns from data. Histogram. the simplest and often the starting point of understanding any dataset. It provides a bird's-eye view of the data distribution, helping us identify outliers, peaks, and valleys. Linear regression plot, the go-to method for predicting numerical outcomes based on one or more predictor variables. It's about finding that best fit line that captures the essence of the relationship between variables. Support vector machine, SVM, a powerful classification tool. SVM works by finding the hyperplane that best divides the dataset into classes. Think of it as drawing the best boundary between groups of data points. Logistic regression. While it might have regression in its name, this is primarily used for classification problems. For instance, will a customer buy a product? Yes or no? Neural network drawing. Inspired by the human brain, neural networks are a series of algorithms that recognize underlying relationships in datasets. They're especially useful in complex scenarios like image and speech recognition. Transformer architecture. A leap in the world of natural language processing, the transformer architecture has revolutionized tasks like translation and content creation. It's the backbone of many state-of-the-art models, including ChatGPT and other large language models. These represent only a fraction of the vast toolkit available to data scientists and AI enthusiasts. Each algorithm, in its unique way, aids us in sifting through the noise, finding patterns, and translating them into actionable insights. It's the art and science of converting data into knowledge. These headlines, fresh from the press, aren't just stories. They're indicators of the era we live in. An era where AI is not just a tool, but a transformative force impacting every facet of our lives. Amazon Alexa's innovation. It paints a picture of a world where AI helps us cope with loss, offering solace in the form of memories and conversations. It's not just about smart home commands but about emotional connections, blurring the lines between the digital realm and the human heart. Argo AI in Miami. A headline that speaks volumes about the transportation revolution underway. Gone are the days when driverless cars were a distant dream. Today, they're navigating our streets, redefining urban mobility, and challenging our traditional notions of transportation. AI-designed drug trials. Perhaps one of the most groundbreaking applications of AI. Speeding up drug discovery and trials can save millions of lives. It's not just about making processes efficient, but about ushering in an era of personalized medicine, tailored treatments, and healthcare breakthroughs. These clippings showcase the omnipresence of AI in our lives today. From the homes we live in, the roads we travel, to the very essence of life and health. It underscores the point that AI isn't just the future. It's the present, shaping our world in ways previously relegated to the realm of science fiction. When industry leaders speak, the world listens. Sundar Pichai, the CEO of one of the world's most influential tech giants, captures the essence of AI's transformative power with this statement. To equate AI with electricity or fire isn't just metaphorical. Think about it. Fire was a turning point in human evolution, allowing us to cook food, ward off predators, and survive harsh conditions. Electricity, on the other hand, lit up our world, fueled industrialization, and paved the way for modern civilization. Now, AI stands on the cusp of a similar, if not more profound, revolution. It's not just about machines thinking or making tasks easier. It's about reshaping industries, challenging norms, and unlocking potentials we didn't even know existed. In Sundar Pichai's words, we find a vision of a world where AI is not just a tool but a partner, not just a technology but a paradigm shift. A world where AI is, indeed, as elemental and transformative as fire and electricity. As we've journeyed through the profound impacts and possibilities of AI, it's natural to pause, reflect, and ask, really? Are we truly at the precipice of such a transformative era? Is AI really the new fire, the new electricity? Or is this all just hype? This single word, really, encapsulates our doubts, our curiosities, and our thirst for validation. It's a call for introspection and verification. As we proceed, Let's delve deeper into this question, challenge our assumptions, and together uncover the reality of AI's promise and potential. The journey of data representation and analysis has been nothing short of revolutionary. Today's intricate visualizations have their roots in humble beginnings. Let's trace back this evolution. The spreadsheet. Decades ago, the introduction of spreadsheets marked a paradigm shift. Businesses and individuals could now organize data in rows and columns, perform calculations, and analyze data in ways previously unthinkable. It democratized data analysis, turning complex tasks into a few clicks on a software. The histogram. Moving from raw data organization to visualization, the histogram became a foundational tool. It allowed us to visualize distributions, understand variations, and make preliminary interpretations. It gave data a shape, a form, a voice. Pie chart. Fast forward to today, and we've leapt bounds with business intelligence tools. These tools, like Tableau or Power BI, transform complex datasets into engaging, interactive, and intuitive visualizations like pie charts, heat maps, and more. They not only display data but also tell a story, enabling businesses to make informed decisions swiftly and with confidence. From the structured simplicity of spreadsheets to the dynamic interactivity of modern BI tools, we've come a long way. And this evolution underscores the ever-growing importance of data in our world and the innovative ways we've developed to understand and communicate it. Before the age of Google and cloud-based applications, the digital realm was undergoing its own series of transformative changes. Let's traverse this journey. Websites. In the early days of the Internet, websites were static digital brochures. They were novel, providing global visibility, but were limited in dynamic content and interactivity. Each website was a siloed entity, a standalone representation in the vast digital expanse. Databases. Then came the advent of databases. These were game changers. Suddenly, vast amounts of information could be stored, organized, and retrieved efficiently. Websites began to evolve, transitioning from static pages to dynamic platforms. E-commerce, online forums, and user-generated content became possible, all thanks to the back-end power of databases. AltaVista search engine. With the proliferation of websites and the vast amounts of data stored in databases, there arose a need to navigate this ocean of information. Enter search engines like AltaVista. They indexed the web, making it searchable and accessible to users worldwide. The idea that one could type a query and get relevant results from across the web was revolutionary. And it was made possible by the combination of robust databases and intelligent algorithms. From mere digital presence to dynamic interactions and the dawn of search, this trajectory underscores the foundational role of databases. They not only made data storage efficient but catalyzed innovations that redefined our online experiences. The evolution of user experience, fueled by data and algorithms, is an enthralling tale of how industries transitioned from traditional models to groundbreaking digital innovations. The bookstore. In a physical bookstore, one can walk in, browse through aisles, pick up a book based on a recommendation from a store assistant, or simply by being attracted to a book cover. It's tactile, personal, and based on immediate human judgment. But it's also limited by space, inventory, and the knowledge of the staff. Database schemas. As businesses transitioned online, the importance of organizing vast amounts of data became paramount. Database schemas represent the blueprint of this organization. They decide how data is stored, related, and accessed. This structure is the bedrock upon which dynamic user experiences are built. Amazon's product recommendations. Using the treasure trove of data stored in these databases, companies like Amazon began to provide experiences that transcended the traditional. Rather than rely solely on human judgment, algorithms sifted through purchasing habits, browsing histories, and user preferences to generate tailored product recommendations. Suddenly, every user had a personal assistant, curating products just for them, enhancing the shopping experience manifold. From the tactile experience of a bookstore to the precision of algorithms on platforms like Amazon, we see a blend of human touch and machine intelligence. This harmony between data storage capabilities and advanced algorithms has reimagined how industries operate, bringing delightful, personalized experiences right to our screens. As we navigate the ever-evolving digital landscape, there are pivotal moments that redefine the trajectory of technological advancement. One such moment is encapsulated by Google's emergence and its core foundation, the PageRank algorithm. PageRank algorithm schematic. At its core, PageRank was a vision to organize the Internet's vastness. Conceived by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, this algorithm was groundbreaking in its approach. Instead of just relying on keyword density or meta tags, PageRank considered the Internet as a vast web of interconnected pages. It assigned importance to a web page based on the number and quality of links pointing to it. In essence, it was a democratic system, where pages voted for other pages. This elegant and complex algorithm was the answer to the Internet's chaotic abundance. Google homepage. Simple, clean, and unassuming. The Google homepage belies the immense complexity of its underlying machinery. Yet, this search bar has become the gateway to the world's information. Powered by PageRank and a suite of other sophisticated algorithms, Google efficiently indexes and retrieves relevant results from an ever-growing Internet. It stands as a testament to the potential of combining vast data systems with intricate algorithms. From the conceptual beauty of the PageRank algorithm to the omnipresent simplicity of the Google homepage, we witness a revolution in how we access and understand information. It's a reminder that behind every simple user interface lies a world of complexity, innovation, and relentless pursuit of better solutions. The quest for seamless communication has been a cornerstone of human progress. From ancient myths to cutting-edge technology, the journey has been profound and transformative. Tower of Babel, an ancient symbol of humanity's ambition and the ensuing division by language. The Tower of Babel story, rooted in myth, speaks to our age-old desire to connect, understand, and bridge linguistic divides. It reminds us of the challenges posed by multilingualism and the dreams of a unified medium of communication. Transformer architecture diagram. Enter the digital age, and we find solutions in the form of algorithms and architectures. The transformer architecture, a breakthrough in the field of natural language processing, empowers machines to understand and generate human language with astonishing proficiency. It's a mosaic of attention mechanisms and neural networks, designed to grasp context, nuance, and the intricacies of language. Alexa device. Bringing this all together is the tangible manifestation of our modern marvels, devices like Alexa. No longer are they just passive tools. They're active participants in our daily lives, engaging us in conversation, understanding our queries, and responding in our native tongues. With the foundation of algorithms like the Transformer, these devices break down linguistic barriers, making the dream of the Tower of Babel a modern reality. From myths to machines, the arc of our narrative showcases the convergence of ambition, technology, and the timeless human desire to communicate. Today, we stand at a juncture where devices not only understand us but also speak our language, weaving a tapestry of connection in a linguistically diverse world. As technology surges forward, it brings to life visions once thought to belong exclusively in the realm of science fiction. Autonomous vehicles epitomize this evolution, but behind this innovation lies a tapestry of intricate data and algorithms. Bounding boxes around pedestrians. Before a machine can act, it must first see and understand. Bounding boxes signify this primary step of cognition. They represent the machine's ability to identify and differentiate objects within its environment, an essential precursor to any meaningful interaction. Each bounding box encapsulates countless hours of data annotation, where human annotators meticulously label objects to create a dataset. This data becomes the training ground for machine learning models, enabling them to see the world around them. Google driverless car. This autonomous vehicle, adorned with cameras and sensors, represents the culmination of myriad technologies. It's not just about movement but navigation, decision-making, and safety. The car's ability to drive autonomously is a testament to the immense processing happening in real time. It continuously leverages annotated datasets, like those with bounding boxes, to interpret its surroundings and make split-second decisions. The road to autonomous vehicles is paved with data. Annotated datasets, a seemingly simple overlay on images, hold the key to training machines to interact safely with their environment. As we stand on the cusp of a driverless future, it's a poignant reminder of the synergy between human effort, data, and technological advancement, driving us towards a new horizon. As we journeyed through the landscape of AI, from its foundational principles to its modern marvels, it's clear that we're on the cusp of an exhilarating future. But enthusiasm alone isn't enough. It's time for action, for immersion, for participation. These words, "Great, I'm excited, get me started," encapsulate the sentiment of every curious mind at the threshold of discovery. They signal eagerness, a readiness to dive in, and an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. So, what's your next step? Are you ready to delve deeper into AI, to harness its power, and to be a part of this transformative journey? If your answer resonates with these words on the slide, then buckle up. The future awaits, and it's ripe with possibilities. Embarking on the journey of data exploration in AI can sometimes seem like an overwhelming venture, fraught with complexities and endless avenues. Yet, at its core, the process can be distilled into 3 foundational steps. Pick a dataset. Just like a painter chooses a canvas, your first step is selecting a dataset. It could be something that piques your curiosity, addresses a real-world challenge, or simply something you're passionate about. This dataset will be the foundation upon which your exploration is built. Ask some questions. With your dataset in hand, what do you want to uncover? Perhaps you're wondering about patterns, anomalies, or underlying trends. By posing questions, you give direction to your investigation, turning aimless exploration into a focused quest for insights. Provide answers. Now, harness the power of algorithms, tools, and your analytical skills to unearth answers. This is where theory meets application, where data is transformed into meaningful insights, narratives, and actionable recommendations. Remember, the world of AI and data science isn't just about algorithms and complex computations. It's about curiosity, exploration, and storytelling. Start with these 3 steps, and you're on your way to unveiling the stories hidden within data. In the vast realm of AI and data science, our approach can be distilled into 3 pivotal steps, each of which acts as a bridge to the subsequent phase. Let's break them down. Tame it, structure it. Data. In the wild expanse of information, data often exists in its raw, chaotic form. Our first endeavor is to tame this wilderness, to structure it. By organizing, cleaning, and preparing our data, we set the stage, ensuring that our foundation is robust and primed for analysis. Use algos to find answers, patterns. With our structured data in place, we turn to algorithms as our guiding compass. These mathematical procedures sift through the data, searching for hidden patterns, correlations, and insights. They are our tools, aiding us in deciphering the language of data and revealing the answers that lie beneath the surface. Make them useful, story, raw insights, no matter how profound, need context and narrative. We must take these patterns and craft a coherent story, transforming abstract findings into actionable insights, recommendations, or solutions. It's about connecting the dots, ensuring that our discoveries are not just informative, but also impactful and beneficial. From the initial dance with raw data to the final act of storytelling, this is our playbook, our roadmap in the exciting journey of data exploration. Embrace each step, and you'll not only unlock the secrets within data but also harness its potential in shaping our world. In the transformative journey from raw information to real-world impact, we encounter several waypoints, guiding our progress and ensuring our efforts remain grounded and relevant. Let's delve into these guiding principles. Store it. Make it easily accessible. Data. the value of data is not merely in its existence, but in its accessibility. Storing data is more than just a matter of capacity. It's about organization, security, and retrieval. When we structure and store data efficiently, ensuring it's readily accessible, we lay the groundwork for rapid, responsive analyses. Keep matching reality, pattern. As we use algorithms to sift through data, it's imperative that our patterns and findings are consistently calibrated to reflect the real world. Data can change, situations can evolve, and patterns can shift. Our task is to ensure that our models and analyses remain adaptive, dynamic, and always in tune with the evolving landscapes of reality. Keep delighting your customer. Story. At the heart of every data-driven endeavor is the end user, the customer. Our findings, no matter how intricate or revolutionary, must resonate with their needs, aspirations, and challenges. By crafting compelling narratives and actionable insights, we move beyond mere information dissemination to truly enriching and elevating our customers' experience. This triad, ensuring data accessibility, maintaining alignment with reality, and continuously enhancing customer experience, stands as our beacon, illuminating our path as we navigate the vast and intricate realms of data and AI. So, are you ready to dive into the specifics? Let's illuminate the abstract with concrete examples and bring our discussions into focus. In the vast ecosystem of AI and data science, there exist hubs of innovation, collaboration, and knowledge dissemination. Let's take a moment to recognize some of these landmarks. Kaggle datasets. Kaggle is not just a platform, it's a community. With its diverse datasets spanning countless domains, it has become a sandbox for budding data scientists and seasoned professionals alike. Here, challenges are posed, solutions are forged, and knowledge is shared freely. Data AI startups. The logos you see represent the vanguard of AI innovation. These startups are pushing the boundaries, turning theoretical constructs into real-world solutions. Their agile nature allows them to adapt, innovate, and drive AI's next wave of breakthroughs. Technical hubs like archive and blogs. In the digital age, knowledge dissemination isn't restricted to journals or conferences. Platforms like archive democratize access to cutting-edge research, while technical blogs offer insights, tutorials, and the latest trends from practitioners at the frontline of AI development. Together, these entities form the backbone of the AI and data science community. They are the repositories of knowledge, the crucibles of innovation, and the platforms where voices, both old and new, come together to shape the future of AI. In our pursuit of AI and technological mastery, tools and resources act as our guiding beacons, facilitating not just learning but also implementation. As we glance upon this montage, let's recognize the significance of each. VS Code IDE, Integrated Development Environments, or IDEs, are the modern blackboards for programmers. VS Code, in particular, stands out as a powerful, adaptable, and user-friendly platform. Whether you're drafting a script, debugging code, or collaborating with peers, IDEs like VS Code are invaluable allies in the journey. Free Code Camp. As we transition from traditional classrooms to the expansive world of online learning, platforms like Free Code Camp emerge as torchbearers. Offering a plethora of courses and challenges, it empowers individuals to learn at their pace, bridging gaps and fostering a global community of tech enthusiasts. Online lectures. The digital age has democratized education. Online lectures, from renowned institutions to passionate individuals, make knowledge accessible to all. Regardless of geography or resources, one can now tap into the minds of experts and delve into topics of interest with ease. Technical books. In an ever-evolving tech landscape, the written word retains its charm. Technical books provide in-depth analyses, comprehensive guides, and a structured pathway to understanding complex topics. They are the bedrock upon which many tech professionals build their foundational knowledge. Together, these resources encapsulate the diverse avenues available to us in our quest for knowledge. They remind us that in today's world, with dedication and the right resources, anyone can chart their path to becoming a tech maestro. Let's discuss how to get started with a specific dataset. As we delve deeper into specific instances of data, let's spotlight the Google Play Store apps dataset available on Kaggle. At first glance, it may seem like a simple collection of app details. However, the richness and potential applications of this dataset are vast. The Google Play Store apps dataset provides a comprehensive snapshot of the app ecosystem. It offers insights into app ratings, reviews, installations, genres, and much more. This isn't just raw data, it's a mirror reflecting user preferences, technological trends, and market dynamics. By analyzing this dataset, businesses can identify what makes a top-rated app, optimize their offerings, and even predict future app trends. Developers gain insights into user preferences, helping them craft better user experiences. Marketers can pinpoint where to allocate resources, understanding which genres or app types garner the most attention. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. As we deep dive into such datasets, we can unravel intricate patterns, draw actionable insights, and even forecast future trajectories. This Google Play Store apps dataset is a testament to the power of data and the myriad opportunities it offers to those willing to explore. The Google Play Store apps dataset, with its rich array of attributes and metrics, presents a fertile ground for a variety of AI and data science projects. Here are some intriguing avenues to explore. Sentiment analysis of app reviews. By analyzing user reviews, we can discern not just quantitative ratings but the emotions and sentiments behind them. This can be instrumental in gauging user satisfaction and pinpointing areas for improvement. Predictive modeling for app success. Using attributes like genre, size, and price, we can train models to predict the likelihood of an app's success, defined by metrics such as installations or average ratings. App recommendation systems. By examining user download patterns and preferences, AI can create personalized app recommendations, guiding users to apps they might find valuable or enjoyable. Price optimization models. Using machine learning to determine the ideal price point for apps, considering factors like genre, user ratings, and competitor prices. Trend forecasting. Analyze the evolution of app genres, download numbers, and user ratings over time to forecast emerging trends in the app ecosystem. Anomaly detection in reviews. Identifying fake reviews or bots by spotting patterns and anomalies that differ from genuine user feedback. User segmentation and profiling. Classifying users based on their app download and review patterns, allowing for targeted marketing or app development strategies. Visual analytics dashboard. Designing a dynamic dashboard to visually explore and interpret the multifaceted dataset, providing actionable insights at a glance. The potential projects stemming from the Google Play Store apps dataset are numerous. Each one not only offers a chance to hone AI and data science skills but also to derive genuine, actionable insights that can influence the next generation of app development and marketing strategies. In a world awash with data, a fundamental question emerges for every aspiring technologist, entrepreneur, or innovator. What can I build? The answer, quite frankly, is boundless. Many of today's most influential companies and groundbreaking products were conceived from a simple yet profound realization: the power of extracting value from raw data. Think about it. E-commerce giants analyze purchasing patterns to tailor user experiences. Social media platforms gauge interactions to curate content feeds. Streaming services study listening or viewing habits to recommend the next big hit. Financial institutions leverage transaction data to detect fraudulent activities. Each of these industry leaders started with raw, unstructured data. But by discerning patterns, understanding user behavior, and leveraging the right technologies, they've transformed this data into unparalleled user experiences, innovative solutions, and, ultimately, immense value. So, when you ask, what can I build? Remember, the possibilities are as vast as the datasets available to you. The only limit is your imagination and your willingness to dive deep into the world of data. India's technological landscape has been marked by companies that have not just embraced technology, but have also understood and leveraged the emerging trends of their times. Let's take a brief journey through these trailblazers. Infosys. At a time when the concept of offshoring was nascent, Infosys seized the opportunity. Recognizing the cost advantage and talent pool in India, they bridged the gap between global demand and local expertise, pioneering a model that revolutionized the IT services landscape. Redbus. By identifying the fragmented bus operator industry, Redbus saw an opportunity. They not only streamlined the ticketing process but also brought order, convenience, and transparency to a sector that needed it. Their digital platform transformed traditional bus ticketing into a seamless online experience. Just Dial. Before search engines became a daily utility, Just Dial positioned itself as the go-to directory for all local needs. By digitizing business listings and providing a centralized platform, they became the bridge between local businesses and consumers. Swiggy. In the bustling food landscape of India, Swiggy stood out by optimizing logistics, ensuring timely deliveries, and creating a platform where restaurants, even those without delivery mechanisms, could reach customers' doorsteps. What ties all these companies together is their keen sense of identifying technological trends and gaps in the market. They didn't just ride the wave, they often were the ones creating it. Their stories emphasize the transformative power of leveraging technology trends, reminding us that with the right vision and adaptability, one can reshape industries. In our digital age, the journey from mere bytes of information to impactful solutions follows a systematic and transformative pathway. Let's chart this course. Start with data. Every innovative journey begins with raw data. This is the foundation. It might seem unorganized, chaotic even, but within it lies potential waiting to be unlocked. The act of asking questions makes it necessary to organize and structure your data assets before algorithms can be applied to extract value. This phase is akin to sorting puzzle pieces. Categorizing data, removing redundancies, and ensuring its quality is pivotal. By organizing data, we pave the way for effective analysis. Now, we shape our data. Structured data allows for efficient storage, quicker queries, and better accessibility. Whether through databases or data warehousing, structure transforms data into a valuable asset. Extract value. This is the alchemy of our journey. Through analytical techniques, algorithms, and AI, we derive insights, predictions, and patterns. It's here that data truly starts to shine, showing its worth. Deliver with 100x UI, UX. No matter how valuable the insights, their impact is amplified or diminished by the user experience. Exceptional UI, UX ensures that the value extracted is presented in an intuitive, engaging, and user-friendly manner. It's not just about making things look good. It's about ensuring users feel empowered and enriched by the solutions provided. In the ever-expanding universe of AI and data science, there's a constellation of roles, each shining with its distinct light. You see, the success of this industry doesn't hinge on a singular profession. It thrives on the collective brilliance of diverse talents and skills. UI engineer. The artists who ensure the blend of aesthetics with functionality. They craft the interfaces where users interact with the marvels of AI, making complex systems feel intuitive and engaging. Data analyst, the detectives of the data world. They sift through vast amounts of information, drawing out crucial insights and patterns, setting the stage for deeper exploration. Data engineer, the architects of the data realm. They design, construct, and maintain the very infrastructures that house and transport our data, ensuring its availability and integrity. AI engineer and data scientist, the masterminds of algorithms. They're the ones who breathe life into machines, teaching them to think, learn, and even predict, leveraging data to its utmost potential. Analytics engineer, bridging the gap between raw data and actionable business insights. They sculpt data in ways that make sense for decision makers, ensuring data's value is clearly communicated and actionable. And this list just scratches the surface. Each role, while unique, is interwoven in this tapestry of innovation. Whether you're a visual designer, a coder, a number cruncher, or a strategic thinker, there's a place for you in this dynamic industry. The AI and data landscape beckons everyone, reminding us that its magic is crafted by a chorus of diverse voices. So, irrespective of your background or expertise, be excited, for there's a space here for you to shine, contribute, and redefine the future.